Hi, I want to show you the easy connector solution for our polishing consumables. In the conventional systems, the tube is connected to a lid that goes into each bottle. And as you know, it causes dripping and it is not very user-friendly. With the easy connector solution, the tubes are built in the bottles. So therefore, changing the bottles is as simple as taking this lid up and then putting it onto the new bottle. So there is no dripping and no cleaning afterwards. So it saves you significantly handling time. Even when you want to clean the tubes, it is fast and easy as well. You simply remove the easy connector and then place it onto a bottle of water and start the cleaning process. And in this way, you no longer have to wipe off the tube inside the bottle and you minimize the risk of getting the suspension on your hands. The easy connector solution is on all Struers bottles, no matter the size. You can simply switch to a different size and you don't need to pour to a different bottle in this case. And you minimize the risk of contamination, of course, and you also ensure that you are using the suspension bottle with the correct label on. The easy connector solution is applicable on all Struers grinding and polishing machines. When you use the polishing consumables, you'll get the benefit. A little innovation that will make your daily work easier.